Thank you very kindly, Mr. President. Mr. President, Excellencies, the government and people of the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago join with our counterparts in expressing our deepest condolences on the loss of lives that have occurred. Mr. President, coming from the other side of the world, where the threats of rising sea levels, hurricanes and tropical storms, and the warming of the oceans are real and present dangers, our presence in this meeting is undergirded by the Ubuntu philosophy that says, I am because we are. Colleagues, small island developing states such as Trinidad and Tobago are confronted with inherent challenges, and as one of the most industrialized countries in the Caribbean region, Trinidad and Tobago has developed a lifestyle that is heavily interwoven in our oil and gas economy. And although we are slowly transitioning to renewables, a mindset change is an imperative for innovation, not only in the fulfillment of our global obligations, but indeed for our very sustenance. We acknowledge that in order to surmount these systemic and historical challenges, there is need for a paradigm shift, and the components of this shift are contained in our National Development Strategy 2016 to 2030. In furtherance of the objective of this strategy to focus on the preservation and conservation of our environment, we have taken the policy decision to ban the importation of finished expanded polystyrene products for the food and beverage sector, and to remove all duties related to the import of environmentally sensitive and environmentally friendly alternative products. To further incentivize this shift, we have also approved a beverage containers deposit refund policy, which aims to establish an efficient and effective recovery system for recyclables. We contend that this thrust will contribute significantly towards encouraging lifestyle change, promoting alternatives, integrating the informal sector, and to this end, we are working closely with the private sector, NGOs, CBOs, and all citizens towards achieving our goals. Mr. President, this is not all. Tobago boasts the oldest protected forest in the Western Hemisphere, being a protected area since 1776. And in order to ensure that we continue with our reforestation program, we have made it our goal to replant 1 million trees over the next 3 years. There is no better expression of the results of Trinidad and Tobago's ingenuity and propensity for innovation, and may I add, our propensity for creative reuse or recycling, than our steel band, which is the only musical instrument invented in the 20th century from discarded oil drums. Mr. President, it is clear that Trinidad and Tobago is to the environmental changes that are necessary. Thank you very kindly.
Je remercie Madame le ministre Camille Régis.